Okay, so we made it to Jordan Pond in Acadia Park, and we are currently parked in the RV spot. So the RV is allowed. RVs are not allowed up Cadillac Mountain, but we heard Jordan's Pond was pretty cool to see. We're going to take Jaggy for a walk because doggies are allowed, huh, Jaggies? Yeah, there is a lot of traffic. There's a lot of traffic. So actually, because we have an RV, there's special RV parking, we're allowed to park a lot easier than all the cars driving through. So, yeah. It's a little cold, so Fabian is putting on extra layers before we go on the hike. There's several different trails. I'm not sure which one we're going to do, but stay tuned. So we're walking along the edge of Jordan's Pond. Scenery is beautiful. The water is so clear. It's amazing how beautiful it is. So it is very convenient for all ages. I think around the pond is 3.2 miles, maybe? Yeah. So, perfect for all ages, animals.
She says she's gonna break the law a little bit, put her feet in there.
Man down. Becky fell down a hole.
But it's a pretty big hole.
There were some bikes going by, and I was trying to figure out where the trail was to go next, and when I was watching the bike go by, I fell down that hole.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Just make sure you stay on trails, because I did kind of go off the trail a little bit, just to meet up with the road. Yeah, and I fell down the hole. Let's go find the lake. We're almost to the lake. I'm being very careful while I'm filming. We made it to Eagle Lake.
Well, it was a good hike. We didn't really go around in a circle. We just did Jordan, then cut off and came straight to Eagle Lake. Don't know why they call it Eagle Lake, but
maybe we'll see an eagle. Ah! Where you going, baby? Going to the top of the rock? Bubbling rock? We're coming in on the easy side, the east side. He's just sitting there eating. He don't care. He doesn't feel threatened at all.
well, looks like we made it to the top of the summit.
A bubble rock.
As you can see, the view behind us.
So pretty.
That's Jordan Lake. And on the other side of us
Eagle Lake.
is Eagle Lake. We hope you enjoy the view, and it's time to go hike it back down.
Yay.
Jaggy's even enjoying it.
He is. He loves this weather. It's so beautiful today.
Met a whole bunch of new friends.
Yay.
Thank you to all the new followers that just followed us from the top of Bubble Rock.
Let us know if you want us to do anything else.
All right. See you next time.
Bye-bye. We made it back to the beginning. Whew. Long day.
I'm good.
So we hope you like all the footage.
It was fun.
Yeah.
We hope you enjoy everything, and thank you once again for watching.
Yeah, make sure you follow us on
Facebook, Instagram,
Twitter.
and our Patreon account. Help support us on Patreon.
And don't forget about the Amazon account. The link is down below. Until next time.
Later.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Jaggies. Please subscribe.